How to add more than one photo on one story on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add more than one photo or how you can add multiple photos on one story on Instagram app. Now to do so, first open up the Instagram app and head into the story option by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and then you'll be able to head into story here. You can either create shoot a new story. However, if you want to select it from your gallery, simply head into your gallery and tap on the select option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You can see below the settings here. Tap on select and you'll be able to select multiple pictures here. Now I don't have pictures here, but I'll just take a quick screenshot here. You can see that I already have one screenshot here right there. I'll just reload it and tap on select option and you'll be able to select multiple pictures. Now you can see I've selected two pictures. You can select video as well if you want, but I'll just select two pictures and tap on next. And you can either choose it to be on separate or you can either choose it to be on layout. Now you can tap on separate and you can view it. You can see two options. However, what you can do is select two videos, tap on next and choose it as a layout. Now however, you can see I've selected a video here and layout doesn't work with videos, so I'll just select two screenshots here and then tap on next and you can add a layout here. So this way you can add more than one photo or you can add multiple photos on Instagram story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.